Halo semuanya. Video kali ini berisi kalimat-kalimat yang umum dipakai dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Latihlah kalimat-kalimat tersebut dan Anda akan cepat mahir dalam berbahasa Inggris. Mari langsung saja kita mulai.
How is the weather today? How is the weather today?
Bagaimana cuaca hari ini?
It is sunny and warm throughout the day. It is sunny and warm throughout the day.
Cuacanya cerah dan hangat sepanjang hari.
Did you review your report? Did you review your report?
Apakah kamu sudah meninjau laporannya?
Yes, I reviewed it carefully and made corrections. Yes, I reviewed it carefully and made corrections.
Ya, saya meninjaunya dengan teliti dan membuat perbaikan.
Did you find any errors? Did you find any errors?
Apakah kamu menemukan kesalahan?
Yes, I found a few mistakes that need fixing. Yes, I found a few mistakes that need fixing.
Ya, saya menemukan beberapa kesalahan yang perlu diperbaiki.
What did you do for it? What did you do for it?
Apa yang kamu lakukan untuk itu?
I prepared a detailed presentation for the meeting. I prepared a detailed presentation for the meeting.
Saya menyiapkan presentasi rinci untuk pertemuan.
When will you find out? When will you find out?
Kapan kamu akan mengetahuinya?
We should get the results by next week. We should get the results by next week.
Kami seharusnya mendapatkan hasilnya minggu depan.
Have you ever been to Canada? Have you ever been to Canada?
Apakah kamu pernah ke Kanada?
Yes, I visited Canada 2 years ago. Yes, I visited Canada 2 years ago.
Ya, saya mengunjungi Kanada 2 tahun lalu.
How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here?
Berapa lama kamu akan tinggal di sini?
I'll stay here for about a week. I'll stay here for about a week.
Saya akan tinggal di sini selama sekitar seminggu.
Could you bring me a pillow and blanket, please? Could you bring me a pillow and blanket, please?
Bisakah kamu membawakan saya bantal dan selimut?
Of course, I'll get them for you right away. Of course, I'll get them for you right away.
Tentu, saya akan segera mengambilkannya untukmu.
May I go to the movies tonight? May I go to the movies tonight?
Bolehkah saya pergi menonton film malam ini?
Yes, you may go. Just be sure to be back early. Yes, you may go. Just be sure to be back early.
Ya, kamu boleh pergi. Pastikan kembali lebih awal.
Does anyone here speak Indonesian? Does anyone here speak Indonesian?
Apakah ada yang bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia di sini?
Yes, I speak Indonesian. Yes, I speak Indonesian.
Ya, saya bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia.
What does your firm specialize in? What does your firm specialize in?
Perusahaanmu bergerak di bidang apa?
My firm specializes in marketing and advertising. My firm specializes in marketing and advertising.
Perusahaan saya bergerak di bidang pemasaran dan periklanan.
Is the road slippery when it rains? Is the road slippery when it rains?
Apakah jalanan licin saat hujan?
Yes, the road can be very slippery when wet. Yes, the road can be very slippery when wet.
Ya, jalanan bisa sangat licin saat basah.
How do you use a shopping cart? How do you use a shopping cart?
Bagaimana cara kamu menggunakan keranjang belanja?
I push the cart while shopping in stores. I push the cart while shopping in stores.
Saya mendorong keranjang saat berbelanja di toko.
How do you perform under pressure? How do you perform under pressure?
Bagaimana kamu tampil di bawah tekanan?
I stay calm and focus on my tasks. I stay calm and focus on my tasks.
Saya tetap tenang dan fokus pada tugas saya.
Are you interested in trade shows? Are you interested in trade shows?
Apakah kamu tertarik dengan pameran perdagangan?
Yes, I find trade shows very interesting. Yes, I find trade shows very interesting.
Ya, saya menemukan pameran perdagangan sangat menarik.
Do you like watching sports? Do you like watching sports?
Apakah kamu suka menonton olahraga?
Yes, I enjoy watching badminton games. Yes, I enjoy watching badminton games.
Ya, saya menikmati menonton pertandingan bulu tangkis.
What is your favorite drink? What is your favorite drink?
Apa minuman favoritmu?
My favorite drink is iced tea. My favorite drink is iced tea.
Minuman favorit saya adalah es teh.
Can you be my guide during the trip? Can you be my guide during the trip?
Bisakah kamu menjadi pemandu saya selama perjalanan?
Sure. I know the area very well. Sure. I know the area very well.
Tentu, saya tahu daerah ini dengan baik.
What is the ultimate goal of your project? What is the ultimate goal of your project?
Apa tujuan utama proyekmu?
The ultimate goal is to help our community. The ultimate goal is to help our community.
Tujuan utama adalah untuk membantu komunitas kami.
Do you prefer mild or spicy food? Do you prefer mild or spicy food?
Apakah kamu lebih suka makanan pedas atau tidak?
I prefer mild food, it's easier to enjoy. I prefer mild food, it's easier to enjoy.
Saya lebih suka makanan tidak pedas, lebih mudah dinikmati.
How do you celebrate Valentine's Day? How do you celebrate Valentine's Day?
Bagaimana kamu merayakan Hari Valentine?
I celebrate it with dinner and flowers. I celebrate it with dinner and flowers.
Saya merayakannya dengan makan malam dan bunga.
How do you get rid of fleas? How do you get rid of fleas? Bagaimana kamu menghilangkan kutu? How do you get rid of fleas?
Bagaimana cara kamu menghilangkan kutu?
I use special flea treatments for my pets. I use special flea treatments for my pets.
Saya menggunakan perawatan kutu khusus untuk hewan peliharaan saya.
How nice is the weather today? How nice is the weather today?
Seberapa bagus cuaca hari ini?
The weather is nice and sunny today. The weather is nice and sunny today.
Cuacanya bagus dan cerah hari ini.
How numerous are the stars in the sky? How numerous are the stars in the sky?
Seberapa banyak bintang di langit?
The stars are numerous, too many to count. The stars are numerous, too many to count.
Bintang-bintang itu sangat banyak, terlalu banyak untuk dihitung.
What will you do then? What will you do then?
Apa yang akan kamu lakukan kemudian?
I will go home and relax after work. I will go home and relax after work.
Saya akan pulang dan bersantai setelah kerja.
What should we do? What should we do?
Apa yang harus kita lakukan?
Let's review our options and make a decision. Let's review our options and make a decision.
Mari kita tinjau opsi kita dan buat keputusan.
How old are they? How old are they?
Berapa umur mereka?
They're both in their early 20s. They're both in their early 20s.
Mereka berdua awal 20-an.
Does he have a favorite car? Does he have a favorite car?
Apakah dia punya mobil favorit?
Yes, he's really into classic Mustangs. Yes, he's really into classic Mustangs.
Ya, dia sangat suka Mustang klasik.
How was your birthday? How was your birthday?
Bagaimana ulang tahunmu?
It was great, thanks. It was great, thanks.
Menyenangkan sekali, terima kasih.
What toppings do you like? What toppings do you like?
Topping apa yang kamu suka?
I enjoy a mix of cheese, olives, and bell peppers. I enjoy a mix of cheese, olives, and bell peppers.
Saya menikmati campuran keju, zaitun, dan paprika.
Is it still raining? Is it still raining?
Apakah masih hujan?
No, the rain has stopped for now. No, the rain has stopped for now.
Tidak, hujan sudah berhenti untuk sementara.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Apa maksudmu?
I mean, could you explain it a bit more? I mean, could you explain it a bit more?
Maksud saya, bisakah kamu menjelaskan sedikit lebih lanjut?
Have you ever seen Monas? Have you ever seen Monas?
Apakah kamu pernah melihat Monas?
Yes, I visited Monas last year. Yes, I visited Monas last year.
Ya, saya mengunjungi Monas tahun lalu.
Has the movie started yet? Has the movie started yet?
Apakah filmnya sudah mulai?
Yes, it started about 10 minutes ago. Yes, it started about 10 minutes ago.
Ya, filmnya sudah mulai sekitar 10 menit yang lalu.
Were you busy yesterday? Were you busy yesterday?
Apakah kamu sibuk kemarin?
Yes, I had a lot of meetings and tasks to finish. Yes, I had a lot of meetings and tasks to finish.
Ya, saya memiliki banyak pertemuan dan tugas yang harus diselesaikan.
What is your current occupation? What is your current occupation?
Apa pekerjaanmu saat ini?
I work as a teacher at a local school. I work as a teacher at a local school.
Saya bekerja sebagai guru di sekolah setempat.
Have you ever visited Holland? Have you ever visited Holland?
Apakah kamu pernah mengunjungi Belanda?
Yes, I loved the beautiful tulip fields there. Yes, I loved the beautiful tulip fields there.
Ya, saya menyukai ladang tulip yang indah di sana.
Are you interested in marine life? Are you interested in marine life?
Apakah kamu tertarik dengan kehidupan laut?
Yes, I find marine life fascinating and beautiful. Yes, I find marine life fascinating and beautiful.
Ya, saya menemukan kehidupan laut menarik dan indah.
What makes this dish so special? What makes this dish so special?
Apa yang membuat hidangan ini begitu istimewa?
The special spices give it great flavor. The special spices give it great flavor.
Bumbu khususnya memberikan rasa yang luar biasa.
How important is privacy to you? How important is privacy to you?
Seberapa penting privasi bagimu?
Privacy is very important for my peace. Privacy is very important for my peace.
Privasi sangat penting untuk ketenangan saya.
What is the most exciting thing you did? What is the most exciting thing you did?
Apa hal paling menarik yang kamu lakukan?
The most exciting thing was skydiving last week. The most exciting thing was skydiving last week.
Hal paling menarik adalah terjun payung minggu lalu.
How has banking changed over the years? How has banking changed over the years?
Bagaimana perbankan telah berubah selama bertahun-tahun?
Banking is now much easier with technology. Banking is now much easier with technology.
Perbankan sekarang jauh lebih mudah dengan teknologi.
Can you verify your account details? Can you verify your account details?
Bisakah kamu memverifikasi detail akunmu?
Yes, I will check and confirm my information. Yes, I will check and confirm my information.
Ya, saya akan memeriksa dan mengonfirmasi informasi saya.
How can I strengthen my muscle tone? How can I strengthen my muscle tone?
Bagaimana cara saya menguatkan otot?
Regular exercise and a good diet help. Regular exercise and a good diet help.
Olahraga teratur dan diet yang baik membantu.
Did you see the zebra at the zoo? Did you see the zebra at the zoo?
Apakah kamu melihat zebra di kebun binatang?
Yes, the zebra looked beautiful and unique. Yes, the zebra looked beautiful and unique.
Ya, zebra itu terlihat indah dan unik.
How do you promote your business online? How do you promote your business online?
Bagaimana cara kamu mempromosikan bisnismu secara online?
I promote it using social media and ads. I promote it using social media and ads.
Saya mempromosikannya menggunakan media sosial dan iklan.
Can you handle this difficult situation? Can you handle this difficult situation?
Bisakah kamu mengatasi situasi sulit ini?
Yes, I can handle it with patience and care. Yes, I can handle it with patience and care.
Ya, saya bisa mengatasinya dengan sabar dan hati-hati.
What happens to leaves in the gutter? What happens to leaves in the gutter?
Apa yang terjadi pada daun di selokan?
Leaves often block the gutter and cause flooding. Leaves often block the gutter and cause flooding.
Daun sering menyumbat selokan dan menyebabkan banjir.
Where is the nearest fountain in town? Where is the nearest fountain in town?
Di mana air mancur terdekat di kota?
The nearest fountain is at the park. The nearest fountain is at the park.
Air mancur terdekat ada di taman.
Do you like prefab houses? Do you like prefab houses?
Apakah kamu suka rumah prefabrikasi?
Yes, prefab houses are quick and affordable. Yes, prefab houses are quick and affordable.
Ya, rumah prefabrikasi cepat dan terjangkau.
Are we almost there? Are we almost there?
Apakah kita hampir sampai?
Yes, just a few more minutes. Yes, just a few more minutes.
Ya, hanya beberapa menit lagi.
Did John arrive yet? Did John arrive yet?
Apakah John sudah tiba?
Yes, he arrived a few minutes ago. Yes, he arrived a few minutes ago.
Ya, dia tiba beberapa menit yang lalu.
Have you seen the sunset? Have you seen the sunset?
Apakah kamu sudah melihat matahari terbenam?
Yes, it was beautiful today. Yes, it was beautiful today.
Ya, hari ini sangat indah.
How's Sarah's garden? How's Sarah's garden?
Bagaimana kebun Sarah?
It's blooming beautifully this season. It's blooming beautifully this season.
Kebunnya berbunga dengan indah musim ini.
Have you tried John's cooking? Have you tried John's cooking?
Apakah kamu sudah mencoba masakan John?
Yes, it's really good. Yes, it's really good.
Ya, masakannya enak sekali.
What did she say? What did she say?
Apa yang dia katakan?
She said she would be late to the meeting. She said she would be late to the meeting.
Dia mengatakan bahwa dia akan terlambat ke pertemuan.
It is very cold today, isn't it? It is very cold today, isn't it?
Hari ini sangat dingin, bukan?
Yes, it is freezing outside. Yes, it is freezing outside.
Ya, di luar sangat dingin.
Aren't you thirsty? Aren't you thirsty?
Bukankah kamu haus?
Yes, I am. Could I have a glass of water? Yes, I am. Could I have a glass of water?
Ya, saya haus. Bolehkah saya minta segelas air?
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Bisakah kamu membantu saya?
Yes, of course. What do you need help with? Yes, of course. What do you need help with?
Ya, tentu saja. Bantuan apa yang kamu butuhkan?
Is she your teacher? Is she your teacher?
Apakah dia gurumu?
Yes, she is my English teacher. Yes, she is my English teacher.
Ya, dia adalah guru bahasa Inggris saya.
What does a collective mean to you? What does a collective mean to you?
Apa arti kolektif bagimu?
It means a group working together as one. It means a group working together as one.
Itu berarti sekelompok orang bekerja sama.
Can I ask you a question about that? Can I ask you a question about that?
Bolehkah saya menanyakan pertanyaan tentang itu?
Of course. I'm happy to answer your question. Of course. I'm happy to answer your question.
Tentu, saya senang menjawab pertanyaanmu.
Do you have any suggestion for dinner? Do you have any suggestion for dinner?
Apakah kamu punya saran untuk makan malam?
Yes, how about pizza or pasta tonight? Yes, how about pizza or pasta tonight?
Ya, bagaimana kalau pizza atau pasta malam ini?
How did you get that injury? How did you get that injury?
Bagaimana kamu mendapatkan cedera itu?
I fell while playing soccer with friends. I fell while playing soccer with friends.
Saya jatuh saat bermain sepak bola dengan teman-teman.
Which building is the tallest in town? Which building is the tallest in town?
Gedung mana yang tertinggi di kota?
The tallest building is the new skyscraper. The tallest building is the new skyscraper.
Gedung tertinggi adalah gedung pencakar langit yang baru.
Who is your favorite person to talk to? Who is your favorite person to talk to?
Siapa orang favoritmu untuk diajak bicara?
My favorite person is my best friend, Lisa. My favorite person is my best friend, Lisa.
Orang favorit saya adalah sahabat saya, Lisa.
Why was he arrested last night? Why was he arrested last night?
Mengapa dia ditangkap semalam?
He was arrested for driving under influence. He was arrested for driving under influence.
Dia ditangkap karena mengemudi dalam pengaruh alkohol.
When is your wedding planned for? When is your wedding planned for?
Kapan pernikahanmu direncanakan?
My wedding is planned for next summer. My wedding is planned for next summer.
Pernikahan saya direncanakan untuk musim panas mendatang.
What is your favorite dish to cook? What is your favorite dish to cook?
Apa hidangan favoritmu untuk dimasak?
My favorite dish to cook is spaghetti carbonara. My favorite dish to cook is spaghetti carbonara.
Hidangan favorit saya untuk dimasak adalah spaghetti carbonara.
Is it better to study in groups? Is it better to study in groups?
Apakah lebih baik belajar dalam kelompok?
Yes, studying in groups helps with understanding. Yes, studying in groups helps with understanding.
Ya, belajar dalam kelompok membantu pemahaman.
Is there a discount on this product? Is there a discount on this product?
Apakah ada diskon untuk produk ini?
Yes, there is a discount of 20%. Yes, there is a discount of 20%.
Ya, ada diskon 20%.
How many hours are in 12 minutes? How many hours are in 12 minutes?
Berapa jam dalam 12 menit?
There are 0.2 hours in 12 minutes. There are 0.2 hours in 12 minutes.
Ada 0,2 jam dalam 12 menit.
Do you always wear sunblock at the beach? Do you always wear sunblock at the beach?
Apakah kamu selalu memakai sunblock di pantai?
Yes, I wear sunblock to protect my skin. Yes, I wear sunblock to protect my skin.
Ya, saya memakai sunblock untuk melindungi kulit saya.
What does a builder do? What does a builder do?
Apa yang dilakukan seorang pembangun?
A builder constructs and designs buildings. A builder constructs and designs buildings.
Seorang pembangun membangun dan merancang bangunan.
What does an entrepreneur do? What does an entrepreneur do?
Apa yang dilakukan seorang pengusaha?
An entrepreneur creates and manages a business. An entrepreneur creates and manages a business.
Seorang pengusaha menciptakan dan mengelola bisnis.
What's your favorite? What's your favorite?
Apa favoritmu?
My favorite is chocolate cake. My favorite is chocolate cake.
Favorit saya adalah kue coklat.
Does your father smoke? Does your father smoke?
Apakah ayahmu merokok?
No, he doesn't smoke. No, he doesn't smoke.
Tidak, dia tidak merokok.
Did you get a bonus this year? Did you get a bonus this year?
Apakah kamu mendapatkan bonus tahun ini?
Yes, I received a bonus for my hard work. Yes, I received a bonus for my hard work.
Ya, saya menerima bonus untuk kerja keras saya.
How was your trip to another city yesterday? How was your trip to another city yesterday?
Bagaimana perjalananmu ke kota lain kemarin?
It was great. I enjoyed exploring new places. It was great. I enjoyed exploring new places.
Perjalanannya bagus, saya menikmati menjelajahi tempat baru.
Do you use an electric toothbrush? Do you use an electric toothbrush?
Apakah kamu menggunakan sikat gigi elektrik?
Yes, I find it very effective for cleaning. Yes, I find it very effective for cleaning.
Ya, saya merasa itu sangat efektif untuk membersihkan.
What did you discover? What did you discover?
Apa yang kamu temukan?
I discovered some interesting facts about history. I discovered some interesting facts about history.
Saya menemukan beberapa fakta menarik tentang sejarah.
Is there something wrong? Is there something wrong?
Apakah ada yang salah?
Yes, I think there's an issue with the report. Yes, I think there's an issue with the report.
Ya, saya rasa ada masalah dengan laporan tersebut.
How many times do you exercise weekly? How many times do you exercise weekly?
Seberapa sering kamu berolahraga dalam seminggu?
I try to exercise 3 times each week. I try to exercise 3 times each week.
Saya berusaha berolahraga 3 kali setiap minggu.
How can I make my skin feel smoother? How can I make my skin feel smoother?
Bagaimana agar kulitku terasa lebih halus?
You can use a good moisturizer every day. You can use a good moisturizer every day.
Kamu bisa menggunakan pelembab yang bagus setiap hari.
What is the main topic of the discussion? What is the main topic of the discussion?
Apa topik utama dari diskusi ini?
The main topic is about climate change effects. The main topic is about climate change effects.
Topik utamanya adalah tentang dampak perubahan iklim.
Any favorite places you visited? Any favorite places you visited?
Ada tempat favorit yang kamu kunjungi?
Yes, I loved visiting the beach and the mountains. Yes, I loved visiting the beach and the mountains.
Ya, saya sangat menyukai mengunjungi pantai dan pegunungan.
What did you do today? What did you do today?
Apa yang kamu lakukan hari ini?
I went to work and then had a relaxing evening. I went to work and then had a relaxing evening.
Saya pergi bekerja dan kemudian memiliki malam yang santai.
Have you ever seen a bear in the wild? Have you ever seen a bear in the wild?
Apakah kamu pernah melihat beruang di alam liar?
No, I've only seen bears at the zoo. No, I've only seen bears at the zoo.
Tidak, saya hanya pernah melihat beruang di kebun binatang.
How was your holiday? How was your holiday?
Bagaimana liburanmu?
It was fantastic. I had a great time relaxing. It was fantastic. I had a great time relaxing.
Liburan saya sangat bagus. Saya sangat menikmati waktu bersantai.
What is your nationality? What is your nationality?
Apa kewarganegaraanmu?
My nationality is Indonesian, and I love it. My nationality is Indonesian, and I love it.
Kewarganegaraan saya adalah Indonesia, dan saya menyukainya.
Why did you choose a career in technology? Why did you choose a career in technology?
Mengapa kamu memilih karir di bidang teknologi?
I chose it because I'm fascinated by how technology evolves. I chose it because I'm fascinated by how technology evolves.
Saya memilihnya karena saya terpesona dengan bagaimana teknologi berkembang.
Can you tell me how to get there? Can you tell me how to get there?
Bisakah kamu memberitahuku cara ke sana?
Sure, just go straight and turn left at the next intersection. Sure, just go straight and turn left at the next intersection.
Tentu. Pergi terus dan belok kiri di persimpangan berikutnya.
Can a blind person hear better? Can a blind person hear better?
Apakah orang buta bisa mendengar lebih baik?
Yes, they often develop better hearing skills. Yes, they often develop better hearing skills.
Ya, mereka sering mengembangkan keterampilan mendengar yang lebih baik.
Can we talk about that now? Can we talk about that now?
Bisakah kita membicarakan itu sekarang?
Sure, I'm available to discuss it now. Sure, I'm available to discuss it now.
Tentu, saya bersedia untuk mendiskusikannya sekarang.
What is the merit of this proposal? What is the merit of this proposal?
Apa keuntungan dari proposal ini?
The merit is improved efficiency for everyone. The merit is improved efficiency for everyone.
Keuntungannya adalah efisiensi yang lebih baik untuk semua.